Hey guys, how's it going? How to customize Hostinger's dashboard layout. So customizing Hostinger's dashboard layout is a bit limited as Hostinger primarily controls the look and layout of that dashboard, right? However, you can personalize your experience in a few ways to make navigation easier and faster. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna buy a plan, and if you want to buy the subscription plan or premium, please go through the link in the description box right now, because it will give you access to buy one of the Hostinger's amazing plan that fits your budget. Now once we are inside our Hostinger, you gotta just go ahead to click the website, right? And then after you click the website, you're gonna see the premium web hosting, and you're gonna see the domains right here. If you have more than one domain, you gotta just go ahead and click the dashboard next to your domain, right? And then scroll a little bit down, and you gotta see right here you can control the basically dashboard. You can control the domain from here, so you can see this is the dashboard: hosting, performance, security, emails, domain, website, files, databases, advanced, and then account. From here you can control it, or you can see right here the cloud startup, domain active if you want to manage it, and free email and daily backup if you want to enable that, right? And there is the third step, right, which is the performance score, right? The file manager if you have files inside that domain, and the CDN if you want to enable the CDN and all that, okay? And basically you are a bit limited, as we said before, because Hostinger primarily controls the look and layout of the dashboard, okay? But you can control your domain from here, right, by clicking your domain, right, to edit it, or click the dashboard next to your domain, right? And then you're gonna be able to control the email, performance, files if you want to unload files, and enabling the CDN, right? So you can make your website go faster for different devices, and the daily backups if you want to back up your data in your domain. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for